ladies. Actually, ang babago pa nila kasi si Miss Rubes na mismo nagsabi, once lang talaga nila nagagamit. Ito, size XS siya. Okay, size XS for 750. Code green. By color tayo ngayon. Mine pink for Miss Jasmine, 600. Thank you, Miss Jazz. Yours na. Okay, next. This one. In size XS. Okay, size XS, code 211. 211 for 750. 211. Green Miss Contessa. Ay, si Miss Rowena Duque. Okay, tita, yours. Second minor ka, Miss Con, sa green po. 750. Ito, ganda nito, ladies. Ayan siya. Okay, this one for 800 to. Parang kakaiba yung style nito. Medium untag to, ladies, ha. Medium untag. So, this is for XS lang siya, kasha. Parang pang bata to, si medium untag. Okay, for 800. Code kakaiba. Mine kakaiba. Blue for me. Ay, 211 code. Oo, hindi blue clear. Miss Ren. Okay. Yours, Miss Ren. Thank you so much. 750. Miss Ren. Ay, itong ganda ni Purple. Si Purple, may kasama siyang, ayan, may short siya na kasama, ladies. This is for 800. Code Purple, 800. Ayan. Okay. Mine, Purple. So, size ni Purple, XS. XS. Kakaiba, Miss Ren, 800. Thank you so much. Yours po. Miss Ren, 750. 800 yan. Kasi kakaiba. Okay. Ito naman si Black. Mine Black, 750. Code Black. 750. Next. Ito ganda rin, ladies. This is for 800. 194. 194. Size XS. 194, 800.